Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you this On the Farm card. Here's my On the Farm card using the Day at the Farm Designer Series paper. I cut the animals out of the paper and also cut the hills. So there's a piece of paper that looks like this, and then basically I've cut all the hills out, and this one I'm going to cut some more hill, maybe like that, and then you can cut the bottom straight again and use it for another card. So just really easy way to get some grass for your animals to hang out on. And you can cut, whatever hills you like. So I'm going to use those. And then I just started with a piece of balmy blue. And I'm just going to adhere that on there. And then I've got these clouds that I cut out of the linen paper, which is really cool because it has adhesive on the backing. So if you can get your fingers in there, you can just peel off the backing, and you can add some of these cool linen clouds. I think they're really fun. And the linen adhesive backing makes it pretty easy to put on. So there we go. There's some clouds. And then here's our grass. We're just gonna put some adhesive on our grass here. And then I didn't add a sentiment. I will when I decide what I want to use this card for. But I have a cow, I've got some flowers, and I've got my sheep, and I've got the pigs. So you just add those on with dimensionals really quickly. So I have my one little flower and my clouds, and then you can add a sentiment later or put a sentiment inside the card, and that is my On the Farm card. I'm offering a free card class when you purchase the bundle. You will also get the Day at the Farm Designer Series paper for free when you purchase the bundle as your celebration item if you choose. So just use the current host code and place a $50 order or purchase the bundle, and I'll send you a card kit with supplies for 6 cards to each of these 3 designs. Just email me and let me know that you would like this card kit, and I will send it right out to you. Hey there, real quick, just wanted to remind you to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the notification bell so that you know every time I go live or post a new video. Thank you guys so much, and here's the rest of the video.